Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. So we all know that a lot of celebrities are launching their very own tokens, right? So now we have a Nigerian content creator and comedian, Sabinos, launching his own token called Sabicoin. However, in this case, Sabinos is saying that the proceeds from this project will be going to the charity, like a charity home or charity organization. Also, you can always support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description below. So let's see how it goes. So if you want to support this cause, this video is here to help you. I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Sabi coin. Alright, so what you'll be needing would be your Solana-based wallet. It can be Phantom or Solana, or your Soulflare wallet, right? But for this video, I'm making use of my Phantom wallet. Ensure to download your Solana-based wallet and set it up properly. You'll be given some words like 12 words. This is called your seed phrase. Ensure to store it in a safe place. Write it down and store it in a safe place, because anyone who has access to those words has access to your wallet. All right, so let's open up our Phantom wallet. Okay, so what you need to do next once you set up your wallet is to fund your wallet. So you'll be needing to get Solana tokens, right? So to buy the Sabi coins, you'll be needing Solana tokens, and this wallet has about $1.23 worth of Solana. And if your wallet is empty and you wish to get Solana tokens, all you need to do is to tap on this button here, receive, and then you just tap on these two small boxes, that is copy, right? And then you copy your Solana address and send to whoever that wants to send Solana to you. Or you can always buy Solana from a centralized exchange like Binance, right? Or probably you have Solana in other exchanges like Bybit or OKX. Then all you need to do is just to transfer Solana from those exchanges into your wallet. Alright, so once your wallet has been funded with Solana, what we need to do next is to tap on this browser icon beneath, right? Okay, so at the bottom you see some icons. The last icon that has like a globe icon, it's the browser icon, and then we'll be using Jupiter to buy Sabi coin. Okay, so just tap on Jupiter, and that is jup.ag. okay, so next we need to connect our wallet, so you just tap on connect. Alright, so let's just tap on connect and tap on this. Okay, so we're connecting our wallet to the Jupiter exchange. So once we connect our wallet to the Jupiter exchange, what you need to do now is to ensure that where we have USDC, we have Solana. Okay, and the reason for this is we want to trade our Solana for the Sabi coin. Now we have Solana at the top, and now below we need to then impute Sabi coin here. But how do we do that? We need to then search for the coin. We can see a lot of it, so we need to get the correct one. And how do we do it's by heading over to his Twitter page. Okay, so let's head over to Sabinos' Twitter page. Okay, so let's see the contract address is there. So we have the contract address here. All right, so we copy the contract address, right? And then we copy it to our Phantom wallet. Like we already said, the Sol needs to be at the top, and where we have USDC, we paste the contract address and it should bring up the right Sabi coin. Okay, great. So now we impute the amount of Sol that we want to spend. So let's say I want to spend 0.005 to buy the Sabi coin, and then you tap on swap. Okay, so you can see 0.05 is like about 72 cents worth of Sabi coin, and it's giving me 961 tokens. So now we're waiting for the wallet to sign the transaction. Okay, transaction reverted during submission, funds may be lost if submitted. Alright, so let's confirm this transaction. Insufficient, so you do not have enough Sol to pay transaction fees and any related Sol account deposits. Alright, let's see if we reduce the amount and see what happens. Let's see if we can buy with this amount. Okay, swap. Let's see if it goes through. Okay, let's confirm. Okay, all right, it's confirming transaction confirmed. All right, now so our 0.002 Solana, which is 29 cents worth of Sol, gave us 457 tokens of Sabi coin. Now all we need to do is just to head back to our home page and refresh. Once we refresh, we would see that our Sabicoin will now be on our homepage and we successfully purchased Sabicoin. Alright, so what you need to do after your purchase is to follow up with the community. And how do you do this? You head back to the Twitter page, ensure you're on the right Twitter page. So let's wait for this to come up. Okay, so we're on Sabinos' Twitter page, right? Okay, so this is his Twitter account, and you can see all of the activities he's been tweeting, rather his X page, right? Okay, so a lot of things by Verizon. All right, so this is what he has been up to, and you can always follow the community. That is a Telegram, right? So this is the Telegram handle here. All you need to do is to tap on it and to take you to Telegram. I'm already in the Telegram group, or if you just let's just tap on it to take you to the Telegram. Okay, so let's tap on it and it's going to take us to the Telegram group. Okay, let's see. All right, so this is the Telegram group. However, I already joined the Telegram group, right? But if you are just about to join, to require to verify that you're a human. So go through. Okay, so let's do that. It's requiring me to verify I'm human again. So just tap on verify, right? And then it says verify your human with safeguard. But I tap on verify, and let's see what comes up next. Click here. Okay, once you click then if you verify, all you need to just tap on this link and it will just direct you to the Sabinos Telegram community page, and here you can ask your questions. You can see all that is going on. You can see the market cap of the token. You can see the different buys. You can just communicate, just say anything you want to say. Probably moderator there will answer your questions if you have any questions. And that is it about this video, guys. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in our next video.